Hey there, welcome to The Gist on Plugtv Live. On The Gist today, CNN insists that soldiers used live bullets in the Lekki tollgate shooting. Details in a bit.
They are releasing fire. They are releasing fire.
The CNN investigation has alleged the Nigerian army used live bullets on protesters during its intervention in the NSAS protest in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. The American cable network also unveiled the identity of a protester who reportedly died on the night of the shootings. According to the report, the victim's name is Victor Sunday Ibaga. CNN said a forensic probe of the bullet casings recovered from the scene of the incident revealed that live bullets were fired at the protesters. It said current and former Nigerian military sources confirmed that the bullet casings matched those used by the army. They said two ballistic experts also confirmed that the shape of the bullet casings indicates that they used live rounds. The network also said it worked with the Balkan Investigation Reporting Network and established that several of the bullets from the Lekki tollgate originated from Serbia. The export document CNN has seen showed that Nigeria purchased weaponry from Serbia almost every year between 2005 and 2016. The Nigerian army has, however, denied repeatedly that they used live rounds, insisting that its soldiers used blank bullets and shot only into the air. Before the publication of Ibaga's picture, no dead victim had been publicly identified. Others who were previously reported dead later came out to deny, or it turned out they died elsewhere before the October 20th shooting. Obiano Jude, aka DJ Sweet, who streamed the shooting live on Instagram, said she counted 15 dead bodies.
I wanted people to see what was happening. I didn't want anybody to come and please explain to me how, in which part of the world do you go to a protest with live bullets?
Everybody look at this. These are the bullets that were falling by our side, that we were dodging bullets.
The protesters who testified before the judicial panel set up by Lagos State government to investigate the incident also said it saw one dead body. The Nigerian army had initially denied its men were at the scene of the incident, where hundreds of NSAS protesters gathered to demand an end to police brutality. Some of the protesters, however, told CNN that soldiers fired into the crowd. The Lagos State government at first said no deaths were recorded before the governor revealed that 2 persons later died from their wounds. It's, however, still unclear if Ibaga was one of the 2 since the details were not made public. CNN said its probe of the incident showed that 27-year-old Ibaga died of bullet wounds sustained from the Lekki shootings, but it was the police that were said to have taken his body away. Also, according to the investigation, Elisha Victor's brother received a call that Victor, his brother, had passed away and that police took his body also.
Someone picked my brother's phone and called me and said that my brother Victor Sunday is among of those people that was shot at Lekki tollgate. And I entered into the hospital and searched. I did not see him. And we are trying our best to just find him, but there is no way to find him.
CNN also quoted One Piece Okon saying that she has not yet seen her 18-year-old brother Wisdom Okon, who went to the protest ground on the night of the shooting. Okon was said to have relocated to Lagos only a few weeks before the incident, and they have gone to the hospitals, police stations, and searched everywhere they could, but they are yet to find him. They also reported that several families are yet to locate their loved ones since the Lekki shooting. Responding to the CNN investigation that has gone viral, the Lagos State government has said that they are not going to make any comment on the issue until the panel setup release every details into their investigation. Well, we keep our fingers crossed, but in case you missed the CNN investigation, here are some of the things revealed.
That peaceful protest, Abi? Okay, make everybody the same. Now, where's the flag?
They've killed him. The police came, we were peaceful. They came and started shooting at us. My hand is broken, my leg is broken, and police are still shooting at us. And if I don't make it through the night, let it be known that I died fighting for our freedom.
And that's all we have for you on Plugtv Live today. Do remember to like and subscribe.